You want change. You want progress. You want to feel different, think different, be different. But here's the truth. No one tells you. You can't change your life until you change your wiring. And wiring doesn't change through a lightning bolt of inspiration. It changes through repetition. Your brain is a pattern machine. It doesn't do what's good for you. It does what's familiar. And that's where most people get stuck. They try to think positive for a day, go hard in the gym for a week, or journal for 3 days straight. Then they quit when it doesn't magically transform them. Why? Because they're addicted to new. But change demands repeated. If you've ever felt like no matter how hard you try, you slide back into old habits, it's not that you're weak, it's that you haven't overwritten the old code yet. Rewiring doesn't happen once. It happens every time you make a different choice, and then do it again. It's the reps in the gym. It's the reps in your habits. It's the reps in your thoughts. You have to condition your brain like a muscle. You don't lift one time and expect strength. You don't meditate once and expect peace. You don't take one cold shower and expect discipline. You show up again and again until the new becomes the default. That's why high performers focus on systems, not hype. They aren't chasing peak motivation. They're focused on installing the right loops. Wake up gives move your body. Hit a setback gives refocus, not spiral. Feel the urge to quit gives push one more rep. Again and again and again. Because eventually, the brain stops fighting. Eventually, the pattern locks in, and that's when things get powerful. You don't have to force the habit, it becomes part of you. If there's one thing you take from this video, let it be this. Success isn't one breakthrough, it's thousands of quiet rewires, and you control every single one of them. You want to change your life? Pick the right loop, and run it daily until your brain believes it's who you are. If this message hit you in the gut, that's your sign. No more dabbling, no more trying. You're in rewire mode now. Hit that like button. Drop a comment if you've been battling old loops. And subscribe to Mind Motive HQ, because this is where new patterns begin.